Hi everyone, welcome to Be Bride Makeup and Self Makeup channel. And here, you guys all know wedding season is right in the corner, and we all need some kind of an eye makeup that looks perfect for your wedding season. I want you to watch this video till the end because this eye makeup is very easy to create and also has a lot of hacks that you can amplify the pigment of this makeup look, which is very easy to create. And I want you to share this video to those women who love to do eye makeups and looking for some kind of interesting color combinations. Okay, so let's begin without wasting any time. So the colors, I'm also going to give you the details of the product that I'm using and the hacks that I do that helps you to get a very good pigment. Now, this is the first shade that I'm going to apply. I've already done my makeup. We'll also talk about the brushes that I use. So let's talk about the brushes and then we will go ahead. Today I've just kept these 5 brushes. So if you see, this is a very big brush, but this is a blending brush. And this is also small blending brush, and here is an applicator brush, eyeshadow applicator brush in 3 different sizes. Okay, so this is a wedding guest makeup. You can also try this look on bride as well. So for this look, I have created very nude lips. I've not done a liner, and I've done my base. Foundation is done, a little bit of blush and a highlighter is done, and I've set my makeup. Now, before we go ahead, I just want to take the big fluffy brush, no product in it, just going to smoothen it out so that there are no creases. This is very important because I have done my base makeup like 10 minutes ago. So if there's any crease that comes out, creases that falls into these fine lines, I'm just going to blend it, make it even. And also while blending, I'm just taking out the excess product if there is any. Now the first product is I'm straight away applying this particular product here. This is from Inglot. This in the shade 616. Okay, that's the shade, which is very gold shade, and it also has a glitter. Can you see? A beautiful glitter, which is very perfect for this South Indian weddings. So I'm just patting the product. Now here is a thing. If you really want the pigment to be really heavy and very good pigment on the eyes, you can use a setting spray once you pick the product in your brush. And I'll show you how it's going to look. Do you see? The color payoff will be very, very good, especially if you're using any light shade products. All I do is flip the brush and pat the product. It looks a little wet still because I've just sprayed it. Let it dry. Gold is a color. You can use this shade for any of the outfit, even if it is for your traditional muhurtam or any evening sangeet or reception, or even for haldi, you can try this. So all I'm using is patting this shade completely on the eyelid, but just leaving at the end. Okay, so for the end, let's take a very mild lavender color. The reason I'm picking the lavender color here is this particular palette. It is called the Beauty Glaze. That's the palette. Now here in this, they do have different shades, okay, but let me be honest with you, some of the shades doesn't work. However, I have a trick. So if you anyone have these kind of eyeshadow palette and you think it doesn't work or doesn't give you a very good pigment, I will show you one of the trick. Do not feel it's waste. It happens sometimes the pigment will not be enough. So I'll go ahead and show you the trick. Here I'm picking this purple shade. Now why purple? Because you know this Europea style is happening and all this lavender purple are coming into play. So this is a very trendy color. But we are doing very subtle shade, okay? Only in the corner. It doesn't even look too much on purple shade. It's slightly a plum shade. Don't worry about the blend in the beginning. It's okay. We'll get to the perfection sooner. Now just work on the color payoff. Always take product minimal in the brush. If you want, you can layer it up. I'm doing this particular video in a natural light so that you will know how the color really looks, the pigment really looks, and the blend really looks. And no filters. Because when we do it in reels, there'll be a lot of edits, there'll be a lot of filters, there'll be a lot of showing only the perfections, but here on the live you cannot do all of that. It has to be shown what exactly in the reality. So that's the reason I've picked the live, so that you can learn directly. Now that's the shade, which look little plum, but this is a shade that I picked, but it looked plum here. But that's okay, because we are not looking for a purple shade right here. Now this is a trick that I'm going to share it. So before we go ahead, I want you to go and subscribe and follow my page. And this is the trick. I'm using this Garnier micellar water and using a small brush. This is from an ecosystem brush, but I do not have the number for it. This is a smaller size. Just dipping it. Okay, so this has a color. So let's go with this one. Using it on Garnier micellar water. Okay, just a plain water on the brush. Now I'll take lavender color. Let us see which one should I take. I'm thinking of this one because I think this is a little brighter. This is too light for me because it's cool tone. I can also use that shade, but this shade is slightly dull. So let's go with this one. This is slightly brighter on the pink side. Okay. It is a matte finish, guys. Now you see how beautiful the pigment looks with just one trick. You actually do not need any kind of colored liners. Just with one trick, you can create your own eye colors. Now to get that purple onto the lid, and dabbing it on the outer corner. So the reason I'm giving it on the liner part also, it gives a slight purple touch when I use my real liner, the black liner. This will also help me to get a shade of purple on top of the liner. Blending it with my fingers here. You have to blend it immediately because your brush is wet and the product payoff is really, really nice. It's a slight dark purple to it. Let me take a closer look. Now going overboard is completely your choice. You can keep it light, you can keep it bold. Now let's get to the highlighting part. So you know how easy it is when it comes to using a color that you feel okay the pigment is not going to work, and you can try this hack using a micellar water to your eyeshadows. Now for the liner, let's go purple liner. I think this is too light. Let's try the blue. This is good. Let's end this up with a liner and a mascara. For liner, I'm using Mars liner. Always keep your small mirror handy so it's easy for you to take a look at it very close by. Go as close to your lashes. The reason is we have added a purple shade on the top. We don't want to overlay that. We want the purple to be seen. And give a wing. Now, if it is a traditional look that you're going to create, you can give a wing. If not, you can just skip the wing. This one thing about this liner, I really love how sharp the brush is. The brush point is really nice, so you can get the thinnest application. Yeah. There you go. You have the gold that amplifies the golden touch, the traditional shade, and you've also highlighted this with a purple and blue. Again, if you want to, you can skip the blue liner and go for black, but you can also use this blue that is very interesting and eye-catching too, because anybody can do black, right? So doing something different gains takes the attention. So let's go ahead with mascara and end this look. And for the mascara, I'm using this Maybelline Sky High, applying 2 to 3 coats. Now, if you want to add and go one notch higher, you can add a glitter on your eyes to make it look super like a party kind of a vibe. So there you go, that's the look. I hope you enjoyed learning this in live. Please do try this look out, and you can also do any other color. You can use green as a kajal instead of blue. According to your outfit, you can change it, but the blue is highlighted because of the purple underneath, guys. So make sure do not use the same shade, otherwise it doesn't pop the color. Make sure you pick the contrast. Okay, so green is one shade you can try. You can shade maroon. You can also shade try like a mauve shade to your kajal and keep it a little trendy. Do try this look, and if you find this is very interesting and informative, do share this video to any other makeup lovers who are looking for a simple makeup, eye makeup that can be done quickly and still look different and classy. I'll meet you again with another live session. See you. Bye bye.